Today I am making curry shrimp, the Jamaican, or I could say the Caribbean way. Curry shrimp is very easy to do. Just follow these step-by-step instruction and information how to make curry shrimp, the Jamaican or the Caribbean way. Stay tuned. So alright, come a little closer, make I tell you something. So today I'm cooking curry shrimp. So I want to show you guys my ingredients. So here I have, this is my pot. Okay, I can start. This one I'm gonna reheat. Yep. So, alright. So this is my 1 pound of shrimp. This shrimp is already cooked, so I don't need much cooking process. We're adding some flavor. So here we have some thyme. This is sweet pepper. This is onion over here. Just a little leaf here. So onion, scallion. This is vegetable oil. So we have all-purpose seasoning, fish seasoning, black pepper, curry powder, garlic salt, garlic. So this is what we're gonna use. That is what we're gonna use to cook our curry shrimp. Yeah. So now let's see all the ingredients and state what I'm using. So we're gonna start the cooking process. So come a bit closer again. So this is half cup of vegetable oil. Just want a little oil. Bottom of the pot. Alright, so put the oil to it. Alright. So what I gotta do next, I gotta add the curry powder. I'm just giving the oil some time to add. And I will add my curry powder. Yes, so I'm going to zoom on the color of the butter. Then I can add my onion, scallion, thyme, my sweet pepper, Alright, so I can add my water next. Alright, give this a little more time. Looking good? So we're making curry shrimp quick and fast, quick and easy. Alright, so we can add our shrimp next. So this is 1 pound of cooked shrimp. Then we can add our fish seasoning. Then we can add our black pepper. So that's these are, the black pepper is half a teaspoon. The fish seasoning was 1 teaspoon. Special all-purpose 1 teaspoon. Garlic salt, half a teaspoon. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon, and then you gotta add then we add a cup of water. Yeah, so we just add a cup of water and leave to simmer for about 15-20 minutes. One depends on the heat. That's it. Leave to simmer like a big one. You got it, curry shrimp within 15 minutes, it's okay. That's 15 minutes, no need to cook 20. You can already just fuse in, the shrimp is already cooked, the shrimp is already cooked, you just fuse in the flavor with the shrimp, that's it. Here you go. So my curry shrimp has come to a final cook. You see it get thickened, so it have sauce or gravy. Yeah, so that's it. Alright, so what I gotta do now? Right, till we no further delay, I gotta share some of this shrimp. Looking good. Okay with that? Alright, so that's the shrimp. So if I'm on the shrimp can share with white rice. So we're gonna share some rice here, white rice. So as you know, this is Chef Rhoden. Check the channel out. Chef Rhoden cooking. Alright, no more rice. Alright. Some shrimp. So do remember to leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell, see more video like this. So this is my curry shrimp. So here you have it. Curry shrimp on the rice, right? White rice and curry shrimp alone. So okay. About half. So there you get it, curry shrimp, quick and easy. So please remember please remember to like, subscribe, leave a comment. That's all for now. Thank you all for watching.